quick reading for November the 7th to November the 8th water signs. Someone's wishes will be granted, pero palihim muna sa ngayon. So what I'm trying to say here is someone is actually planning, no? To grant someone else's wishes. Probably nagpa-plan na, probably pinag-iipunan na, para mapasaya yung tao. It could be you na nagpa-plan or it could be your person. You can switch the energies or you can switch the roles rather. What I'm reading is the dynamic naman. So, this is an offer to make someone else's happy. Pwede din itong a wish, a request. It may also be a demand, no? That was mentioned like weeks, months ago. Pero kasi either nawala ng time or wala pang funds. Pero ngayon parang pwede ko nang gawin and it will be offered. It's better late than never. Pero somewhat, sana, no? Kung sino man yung o-offera nito is mapasaya talaga. This is your quick reading for November the 7th to November the 8th, water signs.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.